A new friend conversation. New friend at school.
Jane, how was school today?
Mom, it was fun. I made a new friend.
That's nice. What's her name?
Her name is Cindy.
Is she new to your school?
Yeah, she's a new student. She moved here from Seattle, Washington.
You have an aunt who lives in Seattle.
I know. I like Seattle. It's beautiful there, but it rains too much.
Yeah, that's why we're staying in sunny California.
Cindy and I have a lot in common. We both like drawing, playing with dogs, and eating pizza.
You should invite her over for dinner one night.
Can we, Mom?
Sure, we can order pizza.
Maybe I'll ask her if she can come over on Friday.
Okay, let's invite her parents too. We can get to know them.
That's a good idea. They don't have any friends here yet.
Hi, Sally. What are you doing here?
Hey, Susie. I need to buy my sister a new necklace. I accidentally lost her necklace, and she is really mad at me now.
But you said it was an accident.
Yeah, but I didn't ask if I could borrow it.
Oh, that's not good.
She wasn't home, and it looked nice with my outfit, so I wore it.
That's like stealing.
I know. I feel terrible. I was going to put it back when I got home.
How did you lose it?
I don't know. I was on my way home, and I noticed it was gone.
Was it an expensive necklace?
I don't know. I'm looking for a replacement here.
What does it look like?
It's a gold butterfly.
Like this one?
That's it! That's exactly like hers. How much is it?
The price tag says $100.
Wow, that's expensive. Now I see why she was really mad.
Are you going to buy it?
Yeah, that's all the money I have until my next paycheck.
Supermarket conversation. Supermarket talk with daughter.
Sally, I'm going to the supermarket this afternoon. Do you need anything?
Yes, Mom. Can you buy some snacks for school?
Sure. What kind of snacks?
I like pretzels and potato chips.
Okay. I will pick up some fruits, too.
I don't like fruits.
Fruits are healthy for you.
Can I go to the market with you?
Are you done with your homework?
No. I have to study for a math test tomorrow.
Then you should stay home and study.
I need to take a break. I've been studying all day.
Okay. We will only be gone for about an hour.
Can we get ice cream on the way home?
I thought you needed to study.
I've studied enough. I'm ready for my math test.